Where did maize domestication begin? Have you ever wondered where the journey of maize, a staple in many diets today, actually started? The story of maize domestication begins in what is now southwestern Mexico. Specifically, it all took place in the Central Balsas River Valley. This region is recognized as the primary site where early humans transformed a wild grass known as Teosinte into the maize we know today. Archaeological evidence shows that maize was domesticated by at least 1,700 years ago. This makes it one of the earliest known domesticated crops in the Americas. Teosinte is a large grass with several species that are native to Mexico and Central America. The species most closely related to maize is Balsas teosinte, which grows naturally in the Central Balsas River Valley. Genetic studies support the idea that maize was derived from this particular species of Teosinte. Early human groups in this area began selecting and cultivating Teosinte plants that had desirable traits. Over time, these selections led to genetic changes, resulting in the maize we recognize today. From an anthropological viewpoint, the domestication of maize marks a key development in early agricultural societies in the Americas. It shows how humans interacted with their environment and manipulated plant species to meet their nutritional and cultural needs. The process of maize domestication likely involved a long period of experimentation and selective cultivation. This contributed to the rise of settled communities and complex societies in Mesoamerica. As maize spread from this original domestication center, it reached other parts of the Americas over thousands of years. By around 7,000 years ago, maize was present in South America, where it underwent further genetic diversification and improvement. These movements of maize illustrate the dynamic relationships between human populations and their crops. Maize became both a staple food and a cultural symbol. Understanding the origins and domestication of maize helps anthropologists and archaeologists reconstruct early agricultural practices and human migration patterns. It also informs modern crop breeding and conservation efforts by revealing the genetic history and diversity of maize. Today, maize remains a vital food source worldwide, and its journey from Teosinte to a global staple is a fascinating part of human history.